Hello guys, welcome. Today I have the Lego City Police Helicopter set 7741-1. This set was released in 2007. As you can see, it comes with one minifig. This is quite a cool minifig. And you can see my set. I've lost some of the pieces somewhere in my Lego box, but I felt it was it was built enough for me to show you it. So the cockpit, the roof lid comes off. This window comes off. It's a bit of a pain having to keep disassembling it. Then the minifig slots straight in there. He's got a little computer. Ooh. Oh, sorry. And then the window goes back on and the roof. And he's in his helicopter. And this is supposed to clip onto the side. And it's got a front headlight, which is handy for a feature. Obviously don't work for real. And then it's got some handcuffs so when you catch your criminal. It's got nowhere to transport anyone though. It's more of a help vehicle. And you got some binoculars. As you can see, I've got the stickers. They're quite nice. Police, arrow, police. And I've got the number. And this is the bottom. I like it, they've put these on to reinforce this, to hold it on better. I mean, overall, it's a very basic set. When you're a kid, you would love playing with this, search, like following cars on the getaway, the camera, video feed. So overall, I think it's a decent enough set. The only problem I had when I was younger, I had nowhere to land it. I just put it on the outskirts of my city somewhere. Did any of you ever build a landing pad for helicopters? If you've got any mocks of helicopter landing pads, I'd love to see them. And also some new adventure sets which I've got in my box are coming on the way. I just thought this would be a filler to show you that I'm coming back to YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to receive all the updates. We're also now on Facebook, we're on Twitter, and we're on Blogger. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.